Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the new video today. Today we're gonna do an unboxing of the new coilover that we got, and it's from Raceland. Yeah, it's from Raceland. So I'm so excited for this. Actually, I ordered this one last Friday, I believe. Yeah, last Friday, and the shipping is amazing. It's very quick. This one is really came super early, and I like the way their shipping is. So if you guys are looking for a coilover, check it out, Raceland. Welcome back. So I got this one this afternoon, I believe, after work, and I didn't really open it because I wanted to open it with you guys and see my reaction as well on this coilover. And I'm super excited because it's my first time doing a coilover on a car, and yeah, we're gonna do an install video as well on the next few days here, so stay tuned for that. Ooh, look at this. We got a sticker from Raceland. You know, it's like gonna add like what, 10 horsepower. So yeah, that sticker, that's a good one. Thank you Raceland for the sticker. Then we have the installation, I think the installation guide, or yeah, something like that. So that's what you will get when you open the box. Now let's see what's inside. Oh, holy smokes, man. This is a good kit. Okay, here we go. So first I seen we got a end link here for your car, and it comes with it. So I can only see one here. So we got an end link. Put it over there. Then this is the most important one, the adjusters. So this is so very important when you buy a coilover, because this thing will help you, lower your spring. You got this one here. Then and the other end link is over here. Looks like it's very good. There's no damage from the end link by the looks of it. So hopefully when I install it, it won't give me a hard time. So yeah, we'll see how it goes when I install this one on the next few days. And it comes with nuts as well. So yeah, it's very good. It's a good quality, I guess. So I've seen a lot of reviews, so it's really, some of them are bad, some of them are good. It probably depends on what kind of vehicle that you're gonna install it with. So yeah. And now we're gonna get our coil. Wow, we're gonna open this one. So it's a very nice kit, and it's complete. Look at that. It's very nice. They have the Raceland brand right here. And it's really nice coilover. So okay, so yeah, so we got these now. Then I believe you have to adjust this one. I don't know. I have to watch a installation video of this, how to install it. So yeah, this one is the back side of it, and I put it back. Do it installation tomorrow. Then we're gonna open the front one with the Raceland. So here we have the left front here. So yeah, and it comes with a camber plate as well. Look at that. It's a very good deal. So yeah, and then but the looks of it, the quality is really nice. And we'll see how it goes tomorrow or the next day when we install this, how it looks like. And I'm super excited to load my car because this is gonna be my, everybody keep on saying it, lower your car, lower your car. So now, here you go. This is the answer if you want to lower your vehicle. And if you want to get Raceland, I will put their link in the description down below. If you want to get it for your BRZ, FRS, and your Toyota 86, it's if you're just wanted to do like a cheap one for the moment, this is the way you'll go, and it will lower your car a bit for sure. So yeah, I'm super excited, and I can't wait to put this on the next few days whenever I have time. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today, and I will update you guys when we install this one. There's gonna be another video. The second video will be installing the Raceland coilovers. So hopefully you guys will subscribe on this channel and like, share. That was it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.